So, good day everyone. I am Rasadori Marte. I'm here to show to you how to program the variable frequency drive using the Danfoss PLT automation drive FC300 series. Since we don't have an actual local control panel, we're going to use this simulator. Um, so, this is our supply line. Our automation drive is this one. Potentiometer, two push buttons, which the green one is the start, the red one is the stop. Here is our three-phase motor. And don't forget to put ground so we don't have any uh, dangers of damaged circuits or electrical overload. So this is my nameplate. So let's start. I'm going to start by go to the main menu and uh, go to 14, which is the special functions. We're going to 14-2 and go to 14-22. We will set this to initialization. Uh, so that's the uh, on your on your actual local control panel. It will set to alarm 80, which is the initialization. So we're going to go back to main menu, our operation for display. Select the language to English. And the motor speed unit is, we're going to use RPM. Quick. So my personal setup, this is the speed, the RPM is, this is also correct. Going to this quick setup. So on our motor, we have 3 horsepower. It means, to our chart, 3 horsepower is 2.2 kilowatts. So we're going to set that. So 2.2 kilowatts. Okay, so the motor voltage, set this to 460. And the frequency, the hertz, motor frequency, will be setting this to 60 hertz. And the motor current, which is 3.9 times the service factor, which is 1.15. And we will set our motor current into 4.48. 4.48 amperes. So that's also good. Go to 1-25. We will the set the motor speed into 1706 RPM. It's okay to change. Go to the maximum. I will switch this to 15 seconds. the ramp up, ramp time, ramp up, ramp down. And so our minimum reference, we set it to 0 RPM, and our maximum reference, we will change this to 1760 RPM. Oh, click OK. So as to main menu. So we're gonna head to main menu and 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 we're going to 5 dash digital digital in and out. So going to digital inputs. We're going to 510 dash 5 dash 10 terminal 18 digital input to latch start. And we're going to 5 dash 12 terminal 27 input into stop inverse. Click OK. And we're going to go to analog in and out. Uh, we're going to change this 6-15 terminal 53 high reference feedback value to our RPM, which is just 1760 RPM. Click that to change, and we're going to go back and go to reference ramps. And we're going to change, oh, it is already changed to 1. And that's it. We'll go to status and click hands on, auto on rather. So that's how you program the VFD or variable frequency drive using the Danfoss VLT automation drive using the LCP monitor simulator rather. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone. Thank you.